In this video, I'll show you how to return an item on Vinted. Now, I don't have an actual item to return, but this is how you are going to set it up. So what you need to do first and foremost is go back to the messaging window. And what I mean by that is, let me click on an item here, and you'll see here next to the item, there's a section that says message the seller. And now once the item has been delivered to you, you can press the option that says I have an issue. This is if it arrives damaged or is not as described, or even within a certain waiting period if it doesn't arrive. And that'll immediately begin the buyer protection process, where in the case that you and the supplier can't come to an agreement, you will be refunded. Where if you and the seller can't come to an agreement, Vinted will make the decision based on the information provided by both sides. Now, if the item has arrived and you do not inform the seller within 2 days, your buyer protection is gone because Vinted will automatically release the payment to the seller. And a refund through Vinted will no longer be possible. You can still speak with the supplier and see if they will offer you the refund, but it is fully now in their discretion. So I hope that was helpful, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.